Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Scentsy Whiff Box unboxing. Pineapple Perfection. There's always some kind of activity in this little booklet they put on top. Then we have our products. So the first thing I'm pulling out is Pineapple Coconut Vanilla Body Wash. But that smells really good. And they wrapped it nicely so it's not going to leak. So that's the first product. We also have Hibiscus Pineapple Body Cream. I gotta smell that. This is a huge bottle. Before I've gotten like the hand creams, which are much smaller. Oh yeah, that smells good. But this is massive compared to the hand creams. I think this is the first time I've gotten a body cream from the subscription box. Because everything in here is a surprise every month. Also have Pineapple Pucker, which is a little scent circle for your car or your closet or wherever you want to hang that. Hide it, hang it. Then we have two samples, both of pink cotton. One is laundry liquid, the other one's a scent soft. And then the bars should be in here. And hopefully sample cups, because that is my favorite thing that they send. Ooh, I could smell it already. It smells really good. And what's nice about this subscription, if you don't want to get it every single month, you can put it to like every other month if you want. Which I was doing for a while. And I might go back to that just because I have a lot of products. So this is a sample cup called Stargazing. These are my favorite things about the box. I love these little tiny pods. It's a lot of wax, and then you can switch them out as often as you want. Apparently I struggle with opening them though. My goodness, let's just go ahead and destroy it. That has a unique scent to it. I like it, I think. So we have that. Then we have Oh Snapdragon. I think that scent's been around for a while. Pretty nice. A little bit of floral, but a little bit of fruity. And then the last one, a Peeling Apple. Yeah, that smells good. Good apple scent. So that's what I got this month. Got two bars, which I believe are now like $6 a piece. I don't remember how much the body wash is or the lotion. Have a scent circle, which I think they're $3. And then a couple samples. So pretty good deal, and it's fun if you like getting surprises, but if you don't want to get a random whiff box, you can customize a subscription to like actual products you pick, I believe. So I'll put all that information below if you want to link to the website where I signed up for this and read more about the subscription and their other monthly services. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.